Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What if I told you that color is the single most important tool which can influence your psychology, your decisions and your perception of things? As an artist who plays with colors every single day, it's extremely important that you understand the psychology and the symbolism behind each color and when to use what. Do you know what's the most favorite color in this whole world? It's blue. There was a recent survey where 1 in 3 people responded by saying that their favorite color is blue. Tell me in comments what's your favorite color. Essentially, human beings are very complex. They react to colors in 3 different ways. Biological. For example, red color can increase your heart rate. Blue color can calm it down. Cultural responses. Black is a color of mourning in the West, while white is the color of mourning in our subcontinent. Red is sexy in the West but sacred in the Indian subcontinent. And third, personal experiences with colors, such as any childhood memories or any incidents that you might associate with a particular color. So let's go straight to each color. Red represents passion, love, desire, but it also shows danger. It is the first color that babies see after they are born. And that's why a lot of people still love red as their primary favorite color. A famous artwork by Paul Gauguin, Vision After the Sermon, Jacob wrestles with the angel in a blood-red field of spiritual battle. An apt metaphor for the internal struggle between good versus bad. Red is catchy, attentive. Brands which have a mass following and where they want to attract customers use red as their color in their logo. For example, Coca-Cola, CNN, KFC. It's attractive and it grabs attention of the viewers. Stylists suggest red is the perfect opportunity to be worn on your first date. Orange symbolizes creativity and energy. It is the color of autumn and that is why it is also seen as the color of change. It's a secondary color made by combining red and yellow, and that's why it takes the energy of red and the joy of yellow to make orange. Mark Rothko is an abstract artist who sold his painting Orange and Yellow for $87 million, breaking all records in the 1960s. He encouraged his viewers to stand close to his large painting and get spiritually immersed into the vibrant energy of the orange in his art. Orange evokes appetite and it is a playful color, and that's why a lot of food brands and children brands use orange in their logo. Orange signifies boundless energy, so if you're working on multiple projects, you are doing multitasking, wear orange to show your state of mind. Yellow, it's the color of the sun and life support of our planet. It shows happiness, cheer, joy and hope, but it also shows caution. Vincent van Gogh painted his painting Sunflowers in all monochromatic yellow color scheme. This painting gives radiance of sunshine rather than showing details of the flowers. It was a symbol of hope and friendship because his friend Paul Gauguin was returning and he was welcoming him at that time. Brands in automotive and food industry typically use yellow as their logo color. When you want to promote deep and focused thinking, when you want to up the hope and optimism in the people around you, wear yellow. Green is color of plants and grass around us. It represents nature, health, growth. It also shows envy and inexperience. The famous artist Cézanne's painting Bridge at Mayamsi shows various hues of green painted with vertical, horizontal and diagonal strokes to evoke a very natural landscape. Typically, brands which want to show eco-friendliness, agriculture, solar power use green in their logo color. Stylists suggest that when you want to do problem solving, wear green because that evokes the feelings and emotions for that. Blue, the most cool and calm color available on earth in our color palette. It represents the sky and the heaven, but it also shows sadness. Picasso went through a blue period where he painted a lot of his paintings with dominant blue shades. One of his remarkable works is Guitarist painting, which is painted in monochrome blue, shows a sad and depressed guitarist. Because blue also gives a sense of security and calmness, a lot of firms which want to show professionalism, such as software industry, pharma industry, banks, use blue in their logo. When should you wear blue? When you want to show yourself as a very professional, respected and somebody in mental control, wear the color blue. If there is an occasion where you want to deliver an important message, wear the color blue. Purple means royalty and wealth. And you know why? Because purple dyes were very expensive, so only the rich people could afford fabrics made in purple color. Here you see the Queen of Catherine the Great, who is wearing a very fine silk purple robe in this painting. You will hardly see any brands using purple, especially the ones which are highly commercial don't use purple in their logos, but you can see one of the chocolate brands which uses purple. When to wear purple? When you want to show an aura of authority around you, when you want to look royal, and when you want to boost your self-confidence. Wear the color purple. Brown is the color of the earth, stones and wood. It represents a sense of humility and groundedness in a person. Very few artists have painted paintings with dominant brown. Vincent van Gogh painted an artwork called Shoes, where he wanted to represent the tired old shoes of a humble peasant. That's where he used brown as the dominant color in his artwork. Stylists suggest that brown is a beautiful evening color. It shows maturity and you can wear it on certain occasions. The brands which are showing agriculture and farming industry or chocolate industry typically use brown in their logos. Black is a negative color of death, evil, sadness. But on the other hand, of late in the modern world, black has started to represent sophistication and power and authority. Here is a painting, The Widow by Kat Colwitz, which shows a grief-stricken wife who is embracing the memory of her departed husband. What better color than black could be used in this situation? Very few brands use black largely in their logos, but some of them which want to show authority, which are targeted at high-end customers or want to show a mysterious power, use black in their logo. When to wear black? You're making a presentation, you want to show yourself as a powerful and authoritarian person, you can choose to wear black. And last, white. It's actually the absence of color because it doesn't feature in the color wheel, but white represents purity and goodness. In 1915, an artist named Kazimir Malevich developed a geometric abstract style called Suprematism, where he used the color white in dominance and showed a lot of his paintings. Some logos use white, such as FedEx has a white arrow, Adobe has a white A. White shows a peaceful individual. It's a summer fabric, clean, sophisticated. Hope you learned something new. Tell me your favorite color in comments. Like and subscribe.